Hi guys, this is attorney Natalia Porsche out of Gulf Coast, Mississippi, and I'm an immigration attorney. And in today's video, I will discuss a work visa, which does not require labor certification, which you can get as fast as 14 days. Stay tuned. So what is TN visa, work visa, and who qualifies to get TN work visa? Well, TN work visa, guys, is only, unfortunately, but it's only open for citizens of Mexico or Canada. Well, why TN visa is so great? TN visa is great for so many different reasons. First, the employer for whom you will be working in the United States does not have to file a labor certification with Department of Labor. It will simply have to provide a letter of references for you to come and work in the United States, a full-time or a part-time job. Second, why TN visa is so good? Because of the time, guys, the time which you have to wait to get it. Well, actually, for Canadian citizens, you don't have to wait. You can just go to the US border with Canada. You can just submit all the required documents. Again, guys, USCIS is your official source of information. If you need more information about what documents do you need in order to qualify for TN visa, if you're from Canada or Mexico, you can go to USCIS official website. So for Canadian citizens, guys, you don't have to actually apply for a visa. You can just submit all the required documents at the border of entry to the United States. However, if you are a Mexican citizen, for Mexican citizens, you will have to apply for that visa. And why TN visa is so great? Because the waiting time for TN visa from 14 to 60 days. As you can see, all you require is to get the letter from the employer. You are required to fill in the form. The employer actually will have to file a form with USCIS, and you are required to collect all the documents which USCIS required in order for you to get that TN visa. If you are a Canadian citizen, you will require only proof of your Canadian citizenship. You need to have a letter from your prospective employer, okay? And you need to have a credential evaluation if one is applicable to you. Also, guys, go to CBP official website in order to find out more information, as well as USCIS official website. Also, a TN employer might file a form here, even if you're a Canadian citizen. It's Form 129, petition for non-immigrant worker. So your prospective employer can file this form here in order to make sure that you are going to get that visa at the border if you are a Canadian citizen. If you're a Mexican citizen, you have to apply for a visa, of course, and you must file the application with the US Department of State. You have to go to US Department of State official website in order to see. You have to apply with the Mexican consul, US consul in Mexico. So you have to go to official US Department of State website in order to see what documents do you need to provide along with your application. And once you are approved for TN visa, you may apply for admission at certain CBP's designated US ports of entry or designated pre-clearance inspection stations. Okay, so the US consular in Mexico will let you know which ports you can actually apply to in order to enter United States, in order to stay here. So why TN visa is really good? Well, TN visa is really good because you can stay in the United States up to 3 years. 3 years, you can get a work permit. Of course, you'll have to renew that while you're staying and working here in the United States. Again, the prospective employer here in the United States does not require to file for a labor certification, which is excellent way to come in. Okay, so if you qualify, of course, if you hold certain credential, you have a bachelor degree, and you qualify under the list of the specific professions stated in the you can find in USCIS official website. Let's say if you stayed here or on this special visa, TN visa, and let's say you stay here for 3 years, then actually you can extend your stay. So what you need to do in order to extend your stay, the employer must file again Form I-129 on your behalf in order to extend this 3-year stay. Again, guys, TN is a great visa. It is non-immigrant visa, but it authorizes you to come here into the United States, stay here, obtain a social security number, and pay your taxes and legally work in the United States. In order to get TN visa, you have to qualify. You have to have a certain profession, which is listed in the United States USCIS website. You have to have a prospective employer who will write a letter on your behalf that you will be employed here. Your employer will have to file form in order to obtain this special TN visa, and the waiting time is great. The waiting time for Mexican citizens is from 14 days to 60 days. So again, you see, TN visa is a great way to come, great way to obtain non-immigrant visa, to come here, live and work in the United States. And also why TN visa is so good is because you can bring a family here with you, your wife, your spouse, and your children. Okay, so they also will be authorized to stay here in the United States. I hope this video was helpful. Guys, please, if you have any questions, go to USCIS official website. This information is not be treated as attorney's advice. This is simple general information that you can obtain from USCIS website. If you like this video, put a thumbs up, subscribe to my channel. Have a great day. Goodbye.